Hey there, water park enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in aquatic adventures. Today, we're taking a thrilling plunge into the world of new inventions at water parks. Get ready to be amazed. First up, let's talk about the Aqua Loop, a revolutionary slide that defies gravity. Imagine being launched into a vertical loop, experiencing heart-pounding thrills like never before. It's like riding a roller coaster, but wetter. Next on our list is the wave pool of tomorrow. Say goodbye to boring ripples. This wave pool uses cutting-edge technology to create waves of all shapes and sizes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned surfer, you're in for an epic ride. Now, let's turn our attention to interactive water playgrounds. These aren't your average kiddie pools. They're interactive wonderlands filled with sprays, fountains, and surprises around every corner. It's like stepping into a water-themed adventure. Well, folks, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the latest and greatest inventions at water parks around the world. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more aquatic adventures. Until next time, stay cool and keep making waves.